Okay, so you've clicked on this video, but you know what matters more? What matters more is you watching this entire video so you can learn how to minimize losses, maximize gains, understand your strategy by backtesting your trading strategy. Hey guys, my name is Dini and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to backtest your trading strategy. So if you want to minimize losses, maximize gains, understand your strategy more, to avoid bad entries, the best way to do that is by backtesting. And I want to thank you guys for showing support on this channel. We recently hit 30,000 and I really appreciate your support. If you stick around till the end of this video, you're going to receive a free backtesting journal. So yeah, make sure you stick around, smash the like button, subscribe, and let's get on with it. So before this video starts, I just want to mention this video is sponsored by EagleFX. EagleFX is a forex broker that allows you to have a leverage of 1 to 500 and a minimum deposit of $10. They also allow you to trade 55 currencies, 11 indices, and 32 cryptocurrencies. As you can see, they've been featured on a few articles, and if we go down, you can see they offer 24/7 support, 24/7 trading, and also same-day withdrawals. They allow you to deposit via Bitcoin, Visa and MasterCard, and also wire transfer. And they also allow you to withdraw via Bitcoin, Coinbase, PayPal, or prepaid MasterCard. They also don't charge for their deposits or withdrawals. You can also open a demo account, so yeah, check them out, try it out, see if it's for you, and yeah, I'm gonna leave the links in the description below. Okay, so now let me show you how I backtest. Well, to backtest, all I use is Soft4FX. Soft4FX offers a Forex Simulator, and the best way to describe to you what this Forex Simulator is by playing this video. So let me play it and I'll see you right back.
Trading Forex requires practice, but this can come at a loss. Introducing Forex Simulator, your answer to learning how to trade without any risk. Forex Simulator lets you move back in time and replay the market starting from any selected day. All you need to do is select the currency pair and date you're looking for, and it'll replay the market so you can trade it as if it was live. You can control the speed, make it faster or slower. You can even pause it to think about your next move. You are sure to advance your trading skills quickly with zero risk and maximum rewards when you're ready to go back and trade for real. So what are you waiting for? Get better at trading, learn faster, and earn more money. Start using Forex Simulator today.
So yeah, Soft4FX offers a Forex Simulator that is very useful, and I'm not saying that because I'm sponsored by them, because I'm not. It allows you to trade 60 Forex pairs, gold, silver, oil, and 12 stock indexes. It also gives you access to real data. It allows you to have multiple time frames, so you can use a 2-minute time frame, the 1-minute time frame, the daily time frame all at once. It also has a built-in economic calendar, so it has the Forex Factory calendar on the software. So enough with explaining what this software is, let me show you how I use this software. First of all, you'll realize I'm using Windows and Mac at the same time, and how I am doing that is by using Parallel. Soft4FX Forex Simulator does not work on Mac, so I just had to download Parallel and it works very seamlessly. So this is what it looks like before you set everything up. You have the Soft4FX Forex Simulator on the EA section. Once you drag it onto the chart, you'll see this. Now you'll have 3 options: new simulation, load simulation, or data center. Now data center, when you click on it, it basically allows you to download the data for each pair. So you can select the range of the date and you can click on update or download it. Currently I only have pound JPY and pound AUD downloaded for the purpose of this video. Now once you've downloaded the pair, you just click on close and you click on new simulation. Now it's going to ask you what data provider you want to use. I always use Dukas Copy, and then it's going to ask you what instrument you want to use. Currently we have pound JPY and pound AUD downloaded. If you have more pairs downloaded, then it's going to give you a bigger selection, but let's stick with pound JPY. You can select the start date for the simulation. Let's click on 2016. You can select a end date, but I'm going to leave that unchecked. Account currency, going to leave it as pound. The starting balance, and now I just want to mention, if you want to use this software seriously, make sure to use a realistic starting balance. How much would you really start with? Make it realistic and use that amount. Time on charts, we're going to keep it as GMT. Now it asks you, do you want to use rewinding? You can check that or uncheck depending on whether you want to go back in time. I usually have it as checked. Pip size, we're going to keep it the same. Lot size, we'll keep it the same. Leverage 1 to 300. The spread real. And yeah, we've done everything. Now all you have to do is click on start simulation. Now once you click on start simulation, this box is going to pop up and it has various options, and I'm going to go through it one by one. So first of all, what we need is the chart. So click on charts. Now it's going to ask you what time period. Let's go for the 1 minute as an example. Let's go for the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the daily, and the weekly. Now once you've added all the time frames, all you have to do is click open. So open, 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 and open. Now as you can see in the bottom, you have all the different time frames ready to go. Now you can just close this, and before I do anything, once I've loaded up the time frames, I just go my templates, load template, and I use the template that I have prepared for each pair. So we have pound JPY, click open, and yeah, it's ready to go. Okay, so once you've set up your template, this box is going to offer you some features. Number one, we have visual mode. Visual mode is basically the take profit and the stop loss being set visually, and I will show you what that means. Next up, we have templates. We don't need to use templates, so let's get away from that one. We also have trades. This is the terminal, so when you have open trades, it's going to pop up right here. We have news. So this is the Forex Factory economic calendar. So as the simulation goes forward in time, it's going to go down and update what news is currently coming out. So I will show you how that works. And we also have sessions. It basically shows you what session you're in at the time of trading. So yeah. Also, we have over here the instant execution, so you can buy or sell instantly, or you can use the pending orders, so you can set stop orders or limit orders if you wish to do so. So with that being said, let me show you how it works. So over here we have speed. Now you can select ticks or you can select real time. Let's go for ticks. Now you can select the speed in which the market is going to go. So very fast or very slow. Let's keep it, halfway. Now if you click on this button, the market will start to move. So over here we have news. If you click on it, it's going to show you when news events happen. So as I play it, you can see the news events slowly happening. It also counts down when the next event is, with the current time, with the forecast as well. So yeah, very useful. You can also just select high impact by deselecting the low and medium impacts. So we have over here 8 hours and 42 minutes or 8 hours and 32 minutes till the next high impact news. So this allows you to trade in a very realistic way. It's way better than manually backtesting with a demo account like I used to. This is a much better way to learn how to trade. So you can also speed up the market. Okay, so now let me show you guys how this software works. You have the lots. If you click on the lots, it allows you to set risk percentage or risk in dollars. So let's go with risk percentage. Let's say we want to risk 2%. There we go. We also have the ability to use visual mode, which basically allows you to set your take profit level or stop loss level visually, and I will show you how that works. So let's click on visual mode, or you can use stop loss in pips or take profit in pips. So now let's mark up this chart to decide whether we're going to buy or sell. This is just an example, and I don't really trade this way, but I'm only showing you this so you can understand how this software works. So right here, it looks like we have resistance, and we have another area of resistance right there. So to me, it looks like it's going to drop because this area 162.889 is an area of struggle. So once you decide whether to buy or sell, and again, I'm doing this as an example, I don't know if it's going to go up or down, but once you decide to either buy or sell, you make the order. So in this case, I've decided to use a 2% risk and to place a sell order. So click on sell. Now it asks you to set your take profit. My take profit, which is this blue line, is going to be, I would say here, okay, and my stop loss, I would want to set it right above this zone here. Okay, once you're happy, and again, this is just an example, nothing in this video is how I really trade, but I'm only showing you how this software works. So we're risking £199 to make £340. It shows you your risk to reward, and if you're happy, you click on accept. Once you click on accept, you press play, and let's see what happens. Now I'm just gonna pause it. I want to show you guys this feature right here, which is called trades. It basically shows you your open positions and also your closed positions. So now we have a sell order for pound JPY. So now let's slow this down and see what happens. £70 in profit, £50 in profit. So let's say you decide to place stop loss on entry, you can do so with this software, which is right here, break even. Let's wait for it to go to maybe £150 in profit before we decide to do break even. Okay, now as you can see, we are £111 in profit. Let's wait for £130 profit before we do break even. Okay, so now we are £150 in profit. You can select break even, and now your stops are just below entry. So now you have nothing to lose. You carry on playing it, and it's going down, as you can see, approaching take profit, and boom, take profit has hit. So all you have to do is click on close trades, and you can see you opened a sell position with a lot size of 0.58. You made £342.90, and you've made 95.7 pips. The trade was going on for 1 hour and 30 minutes and 13 seconds. So yeah, very useful information. You can also export as an Excel file. Okay, so now let me show you guys how this backtesting journal works. So first of all, you need the date of the trade on the 31st of May. So 31st. The pair was pound JPY. Direction, it was a sell. Now before and after screenshots, all you have to do is, before you take a trade on this software, take a screenshot and place it right here on the before section. And so after the trade also, you would place a screenshot on the after screenshot section. So this is the site I use to have my images as links. So all you have to do is insert the image and click hidden, copy link, and paste it right here. Now as you can see, this is a link you can use, so you can click on it and the image after the trade will pop up. You can zoom in and zoom out, and this is a good way for you to know, how it looked like before the trade and how it looked like after the trade. Now you can also input the strategy you've used. So what type of strategy is it? You just put it on there. Now, was it a win, break even, or a loss? In this case, it was a win, so we'll put 1 win. Now P&L in terms of percentage, let's gather that data. All you need to do is look here. So we made 3.43%, so almost 3.5%. And you can also input any comments you have for the trade. So let's say this trade was taken at the right zone, and there you go. We have the date, the pair, direction. You can also input the before screenshot, the strategy you've used. So in this case, we can say S&R, meaning support and resistance strategy. We also have one win, no break even, no loss, percentage in profit 3.43, and the comments. So yeah, if you want to get access to this journal, the links will be in the description below. So yeah, check it out. Okay, so now back to the charts. All I do is I just pause the market and I mark up my charts. So let's say this area here looks interesting. Let's mark up this zone here also. And again, I'm just marking up zones. This is not how I trade, but for the purpose of the software, just showing you the different features. So once you mark up your charts, you just identify whether you wish to buy or sell. So in this case, I feel like this zone here could act as a retest drop sort of trade. This zone looks nice as well. We have 270 pips to make. Okay, so let's say you decide to place a sell position. All you have to do is press sell, select your take profit. Mine is right there, so I'm standing to make 263 pips. My stop loss, let's just make it random. Let's just say right there, or maybe here. So risking 77 pips to make 263 pips. Okay, let's press, and the trade has been taken. Now let's play it. Now we are already in profit, as you can see, £56 in profit. When it gets to maybe £150, we can set to break even. Going down. Okay, boom, it's gone down now. £182 in profit. All you have to do now is select break even, and stops are in break even. So now you can just watch the trade without losing anything. So currently £200 right now in profit. It's dropping, and as you can see, it's going down, approaching our take profit, and boom, take profit has hit. Another successful trade. Now all you have to do is go on close trades. You'll see right here we opened a sell position, 0.42 lots. We made over £700, and our drawdown was minus 45 pips, and it took 12 hours for this trade to play out. So you would go back to the journal with this data. So we took this trade 01/06/2016. It was pound JPY. A sell. You would input your before screenshot and after screenshot using this website. Now strategy, let's say S&R, support and resistance, and it was a win. How much did we make? Let's find out. So in this trade we made 7%, and we could just make a comment saying select better entries, minus 45 pip drawdown, could have been lower. So yeah, this software is going to change your game. As you can see, our balance is 11k, and we are up 10.44% profit. And also, not to mention, you can have multiple time frames running at the same time. So we have the 1 minute there, the 4 hour, the daily, weekly, and the 1 hour. So you can make decisions that follow your strategy perfectly without any problems. And yeah, it's really important that you backtest your strategy. And also, if you're facing problems with your strategy, maybe early entries, late exits, and all of that, the best way to understand your strategy is by backtesting and seeing how it performed over time. So yeah, this software does allow you to download a free demo, so you can take up to 5 trades per simulation. So yeah, try it out, see if it's for you. Although I would definitely suggest you to purchase this software. I purchased this software myself. It's very useful. I would suggest you to purchase it. It's only $99 currently. So yeah, links will be down below, so check it out. So yeah, I'll leave the link to the site down below. If you wish to show support to this channel, make sure to use my link and purchase the program using the link, and it will show support to the channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Peace.